Question number 3. ABCD is a rectangle. This ABCD is a rectangle. And PQRS are midpoints of sides AB, BC, CD, DA respectively. P is midpoint of AB. Q is midpoint of BC. R is midpoint of CD. Show that quadrilateral PQRS is rhombus. Now we are to prove this PQRS is rhombus. To prove that PQRS is rhombus, we have to prove that all of the sides of this quadrilateral are equal. First of all, we will prove that PQRS is a parallelogram in the same way as we are doing in before questions. See here, in triangle DAC, S is midpoint of AD, R is midpoint of DC. It means that SR is parallel to AC by midpoint theorem and SR is equal to half of AC. Similarly, PQ is parallel to AC and PQ is equal to half of AC means PQ is parallel to AC, PQ is half of AC. From here we get PQ is parallel to SR and PQ is equal to SR. From this we get PQRS is a parallelogram. Now we take triangle DSR that contains this side of this parallelogram and triangle SAP that contains this side of this parallelogram. If we prove that these adjacent sides are equal, then we can say that PQRS is a rhombus. Therefore, we have taken triangle DSR and triangle ASP. See in these triangles, DS is equal to AS because S is midpoint of AD, it is given. What we have? DS is equal to AS. Angle SDR is equal to angle SAP, each equal to 90 degree. Each angle is of 90. Because ABCD is a rectangle, it is given. Then DR is equal to AP. Because AB is equal to DC, then half of AB is equal to half of DC. Half of AB is AP and half of DC is DR. Now we have AP is equal to DR. What we have got in this triangle? In these triangles, in triangle SDR and triangle SAP, we have proved AS is equal to DS, angle SAP is equal to angle SDR, AP is equal to DR. It means that triangle DSR is congruent to triangle ASP. If these triangles are congruent, it means that SR is equal to SP by CPCT. And these triangles are congruent by the rule side, angle, side. We have got SP is equal to SR by CPCT, that is corresponding parts of two congruent triangles. Corresponding part of congruent triangles. Now PQRS is a parallelogram in which adjacent sides are equal. It means that PQRS is a rhombus. This is how that we are to do this question.